All right, this will be a good thing. Curtis, rally for a serve. But serve, just serve, but we'll rally. This will be a rally to who serves first. Straight up. There you go. I'll get it.
I got it.
Wow.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, kind of like straight on top of you.
Yeah.
No, that's my fault.
Hail.
Everybody.
Hail.
Alright, we'll get it. Thank you, Elias.
No, Curtis, it's okay. Curtis, be careful. Your feet.
Well, somebody's getting it.
Okay.
I was gonna go, but then Curtis was not listening.
Oh my God.
One of us.
Oh, here.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
You can come back, Curtis.
I was gonna say his feet don't know how to feel the hard ground.
Yeah.
You want surface? Yeah, yeah. Oh no. Okay. This. Nice serve. I'm just glad you're swinging, but jump straight up.
I'll try. You're
One
a little
of
early. Okay. I'm gonna keep my sense.
And you can actually wait a lot longer to hit. Nice serve.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Oh yeah. My bad. Nice serve.
All that serve received for today's clinic and for what?
See, no, you know what's funny? Nolan can be guidance for both sides right now.
Alright, let's go. How do I hit? Better. Jump higher.
How do I hit you better?
Slow?
Do it again.
Holy shit.
Try something.
Nice serve. You're there, you're there. Good.
I think I haven't been doing the like.
Yeah, it wasn't right here. That's why.
Why?
I don't know. Look at how he runs. He don't use his hips.
I'm tired. My hips are weak.
Even worse.
My hips are weak, I tell you. Alright, 1, 2. Zach, we're ready.
Straight up, straight up.
Come on. Zach, we're ready. Tired, deep breath. Never tired.
Are you sure about that? I think he's tired.
I was doing stairs never at the gym. Oh my god. Twos.
Yours?
Hannah.
No worries.
Good serve, Alan. Good serve.
Serve at Curtis.
What is it? 3-2?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, look, he just dipped down with it. That's all.
Up and over. Over the net. Oh, look at all the balls you have. Yes, sir. We should have won.
I have lots of balls.
Million balls, right?
3. Serve.
Nope.
It's in.
Yeah.
He said nope. You better hit, bitch. Oh.
Go. Nice. Oh. That was it.
That's what you call lazy.
Switch. Nolan, you
4-3.
have any feedback for that one, Coach Nolan?
Oh, I didn't see. I was shining a ball for that. I
What
just
do
saw
we
the,
pay you
I saw
for?
the aftermath.
What are we paying for?
Hey, we pay him.
Ilias is fun. No. Yeah.
All right, 4-3.
Serve.
Watch this over, watch this over. You're on. Nice swing. No, you're there, that's okay.
I tried to post
You guys
it.
taking challenges? You gotta go.
We can take challenges.
I'm bad at beach though, so.
We got people here.
This is my first time. Be gentle. Fuck off. Can you 9-man in this?
Of course. No!
Service!
9-man my ass.
9-man this bitch!
Look at the ball, Curtis. You're lucky Alan's jumping for
I'm
you.
there.
Nah, Curtis is doing the work.
Yeah. Didn't you see that serve?
Yeah. If it wasn't for a serve, he couldn't have done that.
Hut!
5-4. Right, oh.
Service!
Dump it.
Oh, that's
Yeah, it's a good spot.
I should be getting that. Huh?
No, that should be me.
Really?
I gotta peel faster. Or block him.
I think for those ones, you just try to be more reactive and hustle for it, right?
If you're there.
You don't get it.
Go back to your neutral position,
Where's that?
where you are right now.
Okay. 5.
Oh,
Oh, that is it.
yeah, that's
That's a little low.
Yeah, but that wasn't so wrinkly and wobbly.
What is it? Sixes?
Whoa! Score!
6-5, 6-5.
6-5.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, coach, what's your opinion of that?
That's 2 laps.
Wait, I'll try that again. Wait.
Coach, what is that? 2 laps. Nice, sir. Watch Allen hit the thumb.
Over.
Yeah, that's yours.
Alright, we're playing like that, yeah.
Wait, yeah. Because even if it was intended, it's fine. We'll call that because he was intended.
As long as we're consistent, that's all I care about.
Wait, so if I intend to set you,
If you intend to set, actually, it's a point.
Yeah.
So technically, it would be his
that would be their point.
But we're doing this, learning for you too.
that's dumb.
Alright.
Serve. It's a dumb rule.
It is a dumb rule.
Over.
No, reach. Go back. One short.
Nice. Watch over.
That's my fault.
No, I just
I saw
laughed
him
at
pop it, I was
Alan.
like, shit,
Yeah.
that's way too far.
Yeah, Curtis, it's backpedaling.
Okay.
No, but you want to first open up. Though.
Yeah.
Like, you're on that side. You want to first open up.
It's still you, right? Oh, really? Oh, yeah. You missed your third one, yeah. 9-7?
That's why you have to.
Wait, no.
You should always stop. 8-6? So I don't
Alan,
8-6?
8-6?
8-6.
Yeah, you got to turn and open up. On that.
Okay. Yes, coach.
I'm not going to serve at Allen, so it's always you.
Nice. You got it. Home early. Like indoor, like.
It's muscle memory.
It is. It's so hard to be aggressive.
I need to do the little hop.
8,
7. Small.
Nervous.
Out.
Over 6?
Sorry. Yeah.
9-7.
Yeah.
9-7.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Good block.
He's huge! He's so big!
9-7.
Yeah.
Good.
No. God dang, rocket.
There you're good.
8-9.
8-9. Serve.
So you rotate all the way. So you want to do that? Don't do that. But if you're uncomfortable a little bit more, it would go down.
Okay. But couldn't he also go up and just like think it? Yeah. That is just fucking
You have to read it. That's why you have to, like.
9-9. I just have to be
Just watch his shoulder, watch his arm.
happy. Yes.
You know that he's capable of that
That's-
shot now.
He's only gotten it once.
You know, I know.
You're good,
You
you're good.
know he's capable of that shot, so that should be in your mind. Like, oh, he's set up for it. He should.
Nice save.
Wide receiver. First down.
Okay, 10-9.
I thought that was an actual serve, and I was like, whoa. You didn't root for it.
I mean, the kind of on pocket with Allen.
10-9.
Straight up.
Hey, no lift, right?
I don't know.
That was clean, right?
That was clean. It was clean.
1-9.
Yeah.
I sometimes do that indoors and people lose their mind.
Yeah, that was like an egregious 1-9. Oh yeah.
Sorry. 9 switch.
Why didn't you guys receive those mine like that? Why didn't you guys receive mine like that?
Well, because yours went out.
I'll jump serve and it'll be in and then it'll swing. It's so easy.
I want to be deficit so I can move more.
I've been trying to work more on it.
You gotta block it.
Yeah.
Tell somebody to just be waiting. Two behind you.
What? No, that was fine. It was just a little on top of you.
So because I'm already up to the net, watch where I am in my.
That was like a
If
indoor
it's let me
ball,
pull
huh?
back a little bit because right
too
now back.
I can call numbers if you want.
Then,
I'll default to 4.
especially because Alan's
Like on the
hitting
right
it,
side.
don't worry.
2, 3, 4. Yeah. Not quite antenna, but a little bit outside. it.
Okay.
Alright. 3, 9.
Oh yeah. Yeah. You're hitting it like some of them you're hitting like here.
Wait, we still have 9?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the ones you get back here
We
don't
have 9 on
they
the
just
last
go.
I've been serving the whole time. 4, 9.
You.
Oh.
Nice, my serve.
That was it. That's a good spot.
Felt like it's so high.
Who just served Alan?
I just served. 0-4. That's the gutter.
Well, I feel like I had it, but I was just serve.
Nice.
Dad, Curtis, you opened up your body. That's good.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Good, Ilias.
Nice.
You're on.
Is that it?
Oh, it is
He
it.
can't
What
block
a
you.
spot.
He's
He
too
can't
big.
block.
He can't block. Damn it.
Oh yeah, blocking is a thing.
Blocking is the thing. But that was too good. That was right on
That
the
was
line.
good.
1-4. That was great. He used the advantage of no wind either, too.
Yeah. you catch the line?
No, I
No,
tried to plant.
He just
Oh.
he got a 3-inch vertical.
Yeah. I tried to plant it, and then I was a lot lower than I thought it was.
Ah. Take your time.
Check 1-4, right?
2-4.
Okay, 2-4. Service.
On purpose.
Watch jump. Whoa. Watch short 3.
Yeah, good.
Maybe I should just stop approaching.
That could also work.
I feel like I'm jumping lower when I'm approaching.
5-2. Switch point. Let's take it back right away.
Watch this flow. Service.
That's not a flow. What the fuck? That's not. Go back, go back! He's gonna hit.
I meant to put that more to the side.
So you have to.
It takes a while.
It takes a while, and you have to push forward.
Okay. Watch this flow. 7-2.
That was good.
You're gonna call that a float when it was rotating?
Hey, as long as
I
it's
just
wiggly.
didn't see
Shut up,
it
bitch.
from itself.
I don't care.
I just saw the
No.
result.
If it's wiggly wobbly.
It wobbled because it was rotating.
Watch this flow.
Over you.
Yeah, watch that over. Now watch how it tipped.
Out.
Oh no!
I told you.
3-7.
That's not a highlight, YouTube.
I definitely could have.
Okay,
I
4
could also
serves.
backset that.
Okay, come on, 4-7.
Yeah, because as long as you're square, you might
Oh.
back facing it also.
Yeah, you square your shoulders to the net.
3-7.
Yeah, 4-7. Watch the over.
So if I like do that,
That was not clean.
That's not clean.
Yeah.
if I'm like this, it's not good. I have to be like this.
Yeah. You have to be stopped.
You have to, because you were,
Oh!
so, because your body
not
was doing
square, it's-
this, right? So you did this, you
No,
have
no,
to
that's
be like this.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
You can fucking hip thrust the shit out of it.
Wait, is it your hips or your shoulders?
It's your
shoulder,
Where?
shoulder.
Yeah.
If you rotate, that's not.
So if I do this,
No, no.
What?
Entire body.
Do this.
It's like, if you just did it.
this is square.
like
Hip and shoulder together.
let your feet go. Like it's not, if you're like this, it's still good.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
Like,
Okay, gotcha.
like,
4-7. One more.
Okay. Here.
No, we play. He said one more. He said one more.
No, and Alan has one score.
God dang. What is this?
8-5.
8-5.
We're up.
Yes. No, for long.
8-5. Sir.
And it's over.
Yours.
Watch over.
No, hit it. Oh, good. I don't care that you're not getting it over. I just want you to be ready to play.
Thank you.
It's good learning for all of us. Yeah.
Go up to the ball.
As much as I can, I'm not going to recycle.
Try it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's what you do. Like I do walk up, but I
High five.
walk up to it, then I.
Yours.
I feel like I can't approach, otherwise I lose.
Sorry, what? Good. You're there. Stay back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Because the show won't be easier that way.
There.
Good, take it.
Yeah, that's fine. You got that.
Hey, Curtis.
Nice. Oh, what a touch.
Yeah.
He's learning.
Good.
So
Yay.
I'm trying to no, it's 0. Yeah, 0. I'm
Thank you,
just trying to
Brian.
instruct while we're playing.
Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Brian.
Good chase.
Ball, Lily, ball.
Oh, sorry, Curtis.
There's an even bitchier way to do that.
Wait, what's the beat?
Oh, I'll show you. I'll show you,
5.
and I'll have Alan fall down for it.
I got you. Ah. I thought you were going to pop it there.
I also thought he was going to say serve.
Services? If it's
Like,
clean.
depending
let him
on
serve
what
again.
rules
That's
you're
it.
playing with. Like some beach, like
Oh, the
on
different
a
rules?
high level beach,
Yeah.
like you can. Sometimes other divisions don't allow.
Yeah, some divisions don't allow it.
I don't play it like that.
Okay.
Straight up. Straight up. Oh, you
no,
bitch.
that's so
That's so lazy.
You got
That
so
was
lazy
out.
with that.
That was very out.
All right, last one.
Here.
Oh.
Never. Weird.
We've been
No. No, I'm not calling that last one because Alan didn't call her.
What do you mean?
Are we done after this?
Oh, six.
Yep.
Curtis hit the bitch.
Nice. Oh,
I'm
still so far off.
Yeah.
All right.
Still not timing it. Oh, that's it. Did we lose?
No, we won.
No, you won.
Oh, we won.
Hi.
We won a while ago.
Because Alan's a bitch.
I call sir every
No,
time.
no, you did. I'm joking. I know you did.
Close out.
Huh?
Hitting's hard. I don't hit that often.
Alan, you and me?
Yeah. Yeah, or whatever.
Alan, can you send me? How do I hitting line to reach?
Curtis, you need to.
That is what I
You need to wait for the ball to release.
No, like,
but you know him.
what side do you like to play?
For learning. Here, Alan.
but I'll play left.
So for learning.
I play like a side move around.
I'm not using that one. Okay.
That was good.
What spot? Like the 1, 2, 3, 2, 3-ish in the middle
Yeah.
more?
More 2 than 3. Yeah, even 1. Let's just say squarely 2. Yeah.
Okay.
But mix it. We can mix it up. What about you?
On the 4.
4? Okay.
4. But if I'm on the outside, then
No, we're not kidding. We're not kidding. Look at the holes that Alan makes when he jumps.
4, 5. Okay.
I will try to figure it out.
Wanna play left again?
We'll do this way.
Okay.
We'll switch around.
Okay.
I don't know which side I prefer.
Sir?
Oh, sure.
Is there a preference? What do you? Is there a preference?
People do have preference.